Question number 3, that is, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q and one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw a tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all, what you have to take? Take 3 cm. First of all, construct the circle. Take the 3 cm radius. Okay. First of all, you have to construct the circle 3 cm radius. This is the 3 cm radius. Okay. Join this one. Join. This is the center. From the center to extended diameter, what we will do? O2, how much we have to take? 7 cm. From the center it is the 7 cm. Okay. From it is also it will be the 7 cm from the center, each extended diameter. So at a distance of 7 cm, make this is the P and this is the Q. Okay. Now what we will construct at that 7 cm from its center? Draw 2 tangents. So from take any radius you can construct here one circle over here. Any circle you can construct at the Q as the center. Now P as the center, construct another circle, clear. So now from this P and Q we construct the two tangents. So take the OP, bisect the OP here, take any radius, same radius, don't chase, take P as the center, you are bisecting the line segment OP. Now join this one. Similarly we can construct OQ, line segment bisector. So this is also you can join. Okay, you can join this bisect perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now make this is the point RS. Clear. So now what we will take OR is the radius, make the R is the center, construct that one circle, construct the circle. Similarly take QS, it is also center, take S as the center. So construct another circle taking S as a center, radius SQ. So now what we will do? This is the point P and this is the construction. So you have to join. This one, make this is P dash and join from P this point, that is P double dash. From Q this point Q dash, from Q to this point. See, this circle is intersecting this point, this is Q dash, Q double dash. Okay. So now what we will do here? Justification. This is the two required tangents. What are the required tangents here? P dash, P double dash, Q dash, Q double dash are the required tangents to the circle of radius 3 cm. Okay, this is the 3 cm circle radius, 3 cm from the points P and Q. Next, what will ask is justification. How will you do the justification here? So now you have to do join this join this O to P dash. This is the radius of the center. Okay, now what will it is become here? 90 degree. Measure this. What we will get here? 90 degree. See, 90 degree. Similarly, you can join this one O to Q dash. O to Q dash. It is also radius to the tangent. It is also 90 degree. So justification here, P dash O is equal to 90 degree and O dash Q is equal to also 90 degree. This implies radius to the tangent is 90 degree. This is the justification. This is the answer. So now question number 4 of this construction chapter of the circle. What is given? Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at angle of 60 degree. So क्या करना है, सर्किल को हम लोग पेयर ऑफ टेंजेंट्स निकालना है ताकि वो 60 डिग्री, दैट इज द 60 डिग्री, इट इज बिकम ए 60 डिग्री. ओके, so now we have to first of all construct the 5 centimeter radius of the circle. All of you know how to take that radius. This is the 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, draw 5 centimeter of the circle. Don't change the center, don't. Okay, this is the 5 centimeter of the circle. Okay, this is the 5 centimeter radius of the circle. So now join this point. This is the center. Now this join this point. This is O and P. So now at P it is the 90 degree. Construct the 90 degree over here. So we will construct the 90 degree. Take any radius. Take any radius and make it semicircle. And from this tangent to the circle, take this one. Same radius. All of you know how to construct a 90 degree. Clear? So now how to construct a 90 degree? This is, see, this is that radius. Take radius. Okay, from here construct first arc, first arc from second arc. Okay, now this one. So now from here to this is. So what we will do? Construct the 90 degree here. So construct the 90 degree. Okay, so now construct the 90 degree. So now what we will do here? What we will do? Construct at the 120 degree over here. Okay, construct the 120 degree at the center point O. That is 120 degree. How will you construct? Take same any radius. Take this one. First arc is 60 degree. Second arc is 120 degree. Now make this one 120 degree. Construct the 120 degree. Okay. Now this is OQ. So this is 120 degree. This is the 90 degree. Now it is also we have to join 90 degree because it is become a quadrilateral. So it is cyclic quadrant. This is opposite. Angles are equal. This is take 120 degree. So here construct at the point. At the point Q you have to construct 90 degree. All of you know how to construct the 90 degree. Same radius here. You will join this one. Okay. So now what we will get? Again you have to construct the 90 degree here. Joined. Now both have to join from here point P. We have to join. Also from point Q it is also joined 90 degree. Okay, it is the 90 degree. Now this is the R. RQ and RP are the two tangents. Okay, RP and RQ are the two required tangents. Here RP and RQ are the two required tangents. Okay, now we have to justification. We have to do this is 90 degree. So this is 60 degree or not, we have to check this one. Okay, this is exactly 60 degree. Okay, this is the 60 degree. So two tangents are inclined at angle of the 60 degree. It is also 90 degree and it is also 90 degree. Justify your answer. Justification. That is angle OQR is equal to 90 degree and angle OPR is also 90 degree. Okay, opposite angles are here. It is become a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are 180. So this is the quadrilateral. Angle is rhombus. This is the kite, because kite is adjacent pair of the sides are equal. Kite is opposite angles of 180 degree. So this implies angle QRP is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so this implies tangents to the radius is perpendicular 90 degree. So it is proof